In this video you will see interior design ideas in a luxury home with a modern tropical oasis theme from the living room, family room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom to bathroom. This dream home crafted by Design Solutions' Luciana Fragali is an exquisite display of modern Miami design. Her creative journey began when she visited the property and was captivated by a 400-year-old banyan tree. The grandeur of that tree with its regal beauty left her enthralled and fueled her ambition to build something truly remarkable. Fragali featured the banyan tree as the focal point of the property, and he carefully chose natural materials to bring the outside in: split-cut coral stone, polished Natori Azul marble, chestnut doors, a custom-made round pink onyx table, an attractive stone accent wall, and more organic features. Throughout the house, Fragali chose a neutral color palette. Shades of walnut, bronze, moss and ivory evoke a tranquil, natural atmosphere. Her collection of fine art, furniture and other souvenirs from the family's extensive travels further adds an attractive personal touch to the residence. House LF is a remarkable representation of Miami luxury, sophistication, and comfort, featuring custom millwork, a modern kitchen, custom cabinets, a dewdrop chandelier by Boris Klimek, and built-in displays.